Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to change the engine oil for Apache, and so the bike is here, and I'll let you know the procedure, how to change, and what tools you need. And so let's get started. This is the bolt you need to remove first using a 17 mm spanner. The bolt is loose now. I don't have the socket spanner, so I'm using this. So I'm using the ring spanner. Then you place this thing down. Now I've removed the bolt. The oil is completely gone. I think the vehicle has covered 4,000 kilometers. You can see the bolt, and this part of the bolt is magnet. While fixing it back, make sure that you fix it with the washer. So next thing is you need to remove the oil filter, and you need the 8 mm spanner for this. And the top one is the longest one. While fixing it back, you need to make sure you are fixing the right one. Keep the oil pan below. You'll have the spring here to keep it safe. Now we can take out the oil filter using a screwdriver. It's all dark. You can drop it inside the pan. Now take up a clean cloth and clean this area completely. It should look like a new part. Okay, now it's looking like a new part. And then you clean this one the same way. Clean this area, and this is a new oil filter, and fix it back. And there should not be any cloth material inside. And while fixing this, you have this arrow mark, and it should place downwards. Take the longest bolt. Because there's a spring, it will retain the pressure. So this is done. Let's clean up all this place. Be washing the bike. So yeah, and we'll keep this pan in a safe place. You need to fill 1200 ml of oil. It's 1.2 liters. And this is the dipstick. Comes with a cap. This oil is from TVS 10W30. It's a fully synthetic, and it's called True Force Synthetic Ultra Smooth Biking. And we need to fill 1.2 liters and have 1 liter here and 200 ml in this one, which I got it from TVS service center itself. I don't have a proper funnel, so I'm just using a cut piece of a bottle. That will not go, don't worry. Now 1 liter of oil is filled, and hold on. And there's another 200 ml of oil. Make sure you drain the bottle completely, because it will be exact 1 liter and exact 200 ml. There is no less or more, so you need to drain the bottles completely. Okay, now the oil is filled. You clean the dipstick. Make sure there is no dust or anything on it. Okay, now you can put it back, and you tighten this completely, and you can open it back. Take the engine oil level. Now the oil is full, and don't ever hold the dipstick like this. As soon as you take out of the engine, you should always hold it like this, because when you hold it like this, the oil will come down and you will not get the exact level of the oil. Okay, let me fix it back now. Now the oil changing is done. It's very simple. Now what we'll do with the old oil is, now I'll put it back in these containers, and I can dispose it off safely. I'll clean these places now. This is the oil. If somebody walks, they should not fall down. Yes, the place is clean now. Turn on the ignition. Start the bike. Don't accelerate the bike. Let this be in idling for some time. In the meantime, I'll show you how to turn off this service indicator. First, you go to the high speed mode. Yeah, this is the top speed mode, and I've done 142. This has been reset again. You can check out the video's link in the description. And now what you need to do is you hold the mode button and the select button simultaneously, and hold it for a few seconds. Yeah. Now the service indicator is gone, so you turn off that one, and now you can come back to the normal mode. Yeah, this is the normal mode, and now the engine feels smooth. So this is how you change engine oil. It's very easy, and you can do it at your home. Provided you have all the tools with you. You need the 17mm spanner, the 8mm spanner, and a screwdriver just to take the oil filter out. And you can have a player. You can for you to open the oil cap and close it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, then please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ride safe. Bye bye.
Brother, was caught in the crossfire. Was caught in the crossfire.